Welcome again to Technistic for some exciting news about the awaited new Apple iPhone 15 series. First of all, let's start with the upgraded specs. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will be powered by the brand new A17 chip, which is a 3nm chip manufactured by TSMC. This is a big deal, because it's the first time that mass production of 3nm chips has begun. But the non-Pro iPhone 15 models will unfortunately be stuck with the previous A16 chip. However, there is some good news for everyone. The iPhone 15 will now come with a faster USB 3.2 port, thanks to the switch to a USB-C connector. This will significantly improve data transfer speeds and charging speeds. Unfortunately, the non-Pro models will not get the USB-C connector and will still have to use the Lightning connector for 1 more year. According to TT Technology, another change to the iPhone 15 is the removal of the power and volume buttons in favor of solid-state touch capacitive buttons. These will be similar to the home button of past iPhones and will use additional taptic engines to give the simulated feeling of pressing a button, even though you're not. New to our channel? Why not smash the subscribe button before it grows any bigger? Now, that's a good one. Another point to note is the Pro models will also see an increase in RAM to 8 GB, which will allow apps to run smoother and allow you to keep more apps open in the background without having to reload the content when you open them. And the Pro models will also get a major boost in optical zoom, thanks to the inclusion of a Periscope camera for the first time on an iPhone. This camera is rumored to offer a 10x zoom, which is a big improvement from the previous 3x zoom. Unfortunately, there have been many rumors about the inclusion of an in-display Touch ID on the iPhone 15, but it looks like we'll have to wait a little longer for that feature. According to Mark Gurman, there is an under-display Touch ID in the works for an iPhone, but it's not expected to be included in the iPhone 15. Apple has heavily pushed Face ID and doesn't seem to be changing their strategy anytime soon. There have also been reports that Apple is concerned about the sales of the iPhone 14 Plus and is considering rethinking their strategy for the iPhone 15 Plus. One option is to lower the price of the iPhone 15 Plus in order to attract more buyers, but this would likely result in weaker specs. There are also rumors that they may bring back the Mini model, but considering the Mini was discontinued due to poor sales, it seems unlikely to be the case here. Ming-Chi Kuo has previously stated that Apple plans to differentiate the Pro and non-Pro models even more with the iPhone 15, given the Pro's success this year. This means that we can expect weaker specs and potentially a cheaper price tag on the non-Pro model. It's possible that this could help boost sales of the iPhone 15 Plus if they decide to go ahead with it. So that's all the information we have for now. We love hearing from you, so let's know your thoughts and expectations of the upcoming iPhone 15 series in the comments. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you join our community at Technistic and not miss any updates in the future. Do like and share the video so others too can learn of Apple's new developments. Thanks, and see you in the next one.